What's up everyone? Before everything gets started, I just want to explain this mask really quick. I know a lot of y'all are looking at this and thinking, a girl Jason mask, what in the world is this all about? But a while back, a guy named Javier reached out to me and said he and his 3 kids have been working on masks together and watching my tutorial videos. And his 8-year-old daughter Seleen asked if there are any girl masks. And of course, I didn't have any at the time. So they went ahead and made their own. He sent me a picture of it and it had a flower around the eye, which is what I ran with for my concept. I thought that was pretty cool. All this to say, it hit me in the feels that he was working on his mask with his kids, and then it also introduced a brand new concept that had never even crossed my mind. So shout out to Seleen and Javier for the inspiration. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you everyone else for watching the video, and I hope you all like how the mask turned out.